Good morning everyone. I am Shraddha from grade 4. Today I am going to tell you day and date. Today's day is Tuesday. Today's date is 17 June 2025. Thank you. Good morning everyone. This is Vidita from grade 3. Every Tuesday we observe Thoughtful Tuesday, so on behalf of it, I am sharing a thought with all of you. The thought is a truly empower woman, uplifts and add value to the life of the people, starting with herself. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning everyone. This is Bhakti Loya from grade 4. I am Dhruvi Manisharwal from grade 4. This is Arfan from grade 3. My name is Avni Mudgal from grade 3. This is Rahi Alurkar from grade 3. Today we are going to tell you all the importance of the day. Today we are observing the death anniversary of Rajmata Jijau, and I am representing Rajmata Jijau. My full name is Rajmata Jijau. I was born in 1598 in Maharashtra as mother of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, founder of the Maratha Empire, and known for the strong values, bravery and guidance. I am also called Jijau or Jijamata. स्वराज्य म्हणजे फक्त सिंहासन नाही, तर ते आहे जनतेच्या रक्षणाची जबाबदारी. हर